President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. suspends nearly all reclamation projects at the Manila Bay. But he says one project was allowed to proceed, which he did not name. Marcos says the move will give way for an assessment on the impact of reclamation projects on the environment.
Pasuspindi lahat. Under review ang lahat ng reclamation. Yung isa lang ang natuloy dahil na-review na. Maraming problema. Marami kaming nakita na hindi masyadong magandang patakbo. Kung Rojas Boulevard, wala na yung dagat eh. Isa pang malaking problema na kailangan ayusin yan. Kasi yung mga ilog, kung matuloy lahat yan, maraming ilog mababara eh. Wala nang pupuntahan talaga yung tubig.
Several groups and lawmakers earlier expressed concern that these projects are affecting the environment and the Fisher Cove sector. Senator Sita Villar even warned that these may worsen flooding in nearby cities.
Ang prediction dito ng Department of Public Works and Highways noong time ni Secretary Singson, sabi niya, Senadora, huwag kang magpumayag kasi babaha kayo ng 6 to 8 meters. Ang 6 meter is 3-story building. Paano naman ako papayag sa reclamation? Ang problema ng pag-protect ng Manila Bay is a permanent problem kasi pag umalis ang isa, may babalik namang iba.
A Fisher Cove group refutes claims that the Philippines will lose billions of pesos if the Manila Bay reclamation projects are discontinued. Pamalakaya Vice Chair Ronel Arambulo says the reclamation's damage to fishing grounds will not only impact the livelihood of Fisher Folk, but the country's food security as well. He adds Fisher Folk have long sought discussions with the Environment Department on the matter, but they were never consulted.
Sa katunayan, kapag kukumpute natin yung masamang epekto nito sa pangangisdaan, hindi na lamang bilyon-bilyon yung nawawala sa mga mangisda. Sa katunayan, 1 milyong mga mangisda yung apektado na reclamation, bagsak ang kabuhayan. Kaya negosyo lang naman din ang dahilan diyan kung bakit nila ginagawa. Hindi rin para sa mamamayang Pilipino. Kaya walang dahilan para yung sinasabi ng bilyon-bilyon mawawala. Dahil kung titingnan natin, yung napakasamang epekto nito sa buong bansa, yung milyong mga mangisda na ng kabuhayan, yung kasiguruhan sa pagkain, ang nataya dito.
Tensions between the Philippines and China heating up. China insisting the actions of its